Welcome to day 1 of our vocabulary series. Here, we group words with similar meanings to make learning easier. Today's topic is economics and finance, covering terms related to money, wealth, and poverty. Let's dive in. We'll explain each word, its part of speech, and provide examples to help you use them effectively. Economic, adjective related to the economy. Example, economic growth is a priority for the government. Financial adjective related to money management. Example, she's facing financial difficulties. Revenue, noun, income, especially for a business. Example, the company's revenue grew last year. Expenditure, noun, money spent. Example, we need to cut unnecessary expenditures. Currency, noun, the money used in a country. Example, the dollar is a strong currency. Tax, noun, money paid to the government. Example, taxes fund public services. Subsidy, noun, financial aid, usually from the government. Example, farmers receive subsidies for their crops. Enterprise, noun, a business or project. Example, starting an enterprise is challenging. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe for daily lessons. Affluent, adjective, wealthy. Example, the affluent family donated to charity. Luxurious, adjective, extremely comfortable or expensive. Example, they stayed in a luxurious hotel. Opulence, noun, great wealth or luxury. Example, the opulence of the mansion was breathtaking. Poverty, noun, the state of being poor. Example, efforts to reduce poverty are ongoing. Indigent, adjective, very poor. Example, indigent families rely on social services. Pauper, noun, a very poor person. Example, the old pauper lived on the streets. Destitute, adjective, lacking basic needs. Example, the disaster left many people destitute. Thrifty, adjective, careful with money. Example, he is thrifty with his spending. Frugal, adjective, economical in spending. Example, her frugal lifestyle saved her money. Miserly, extremely stingy. Example, the miserly man refused to tip. Parsimonious, adjective, excessively frugal or stingy. Example, her parsimonious habits annoyed others. Extravagant, adjective, spending too much. Example, avoid extravagant purchases. Lavishness, excessive luxury or spending. Example, the party was full of lavishness. Squander, verb, waste resources or money. Example, don't squander your savings on unnecessary things. Inflation, noun, rising prices over time. Example, inflation is a major concern for the economy. Recession, noun, a period of economic decline. Example, the recession caused job losses. Bankrupt, adjective, unable to pay debts. Example, the company went bankrupt after the crisis. Sanction, noun, a penalty or restriction. Example, economic sanctions affected trade. Today, we covered 28 essential words in economics and finance. Keep practicing daily to expand your vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe and join us tomorrow for more words. See you then.